Yeah, my name's Larry Syke, and I'm here in St. Ignace on the Straits of Mackinac. And my wife and I purchased this lot back in 2003 and had a home set on it in 2006. And we've enjoyed it ever since, the last 15 years or so. But I noticed, because of the soils and so forth, I noticed some cracking down in the basement, and then it kind of migrated up and began to appear in the first and second floors of the house. And I thought at some point, it was settling, and it would come to some sort of natural settlement part, and I could patch up the cracks and go on with living. Unfortunately, that didn't happen, and the cracks became more severe, and I started to look for solutions to the foundation settling. I was at a home show and discovered Ayers basement systems, and got some material and put that kind of on the back burner for a while, thinking, well, maybe it'll still settle. And finally, I decided, okay, I'll make the call. And Justin came out and gave me a good explanation of what kind of solutions were available from Ayers. And so I ended up talking with my wife, and we decided, yeah, let's do this. We have some renovation plans, and we needed to get this squared away. What I've been most impressed about, I think, is the customer service from my initial contact to some other additional questions that I had. I had to call the home office there in Lansing, and I've been treated very well. Now with the actual experience, watching the house go back to its original foundation, original situation. Now it's been corrected. The crew is just as friendly and customer oriented, so they've been very helpful in explaining the situation. I've been curious. The technology is really impressive. I was really struck by the effect. The actual lifting of the house was phenomenal to watch, and so I've been very satisfied, and I'd highly recommend Ayers basement systems for other people with similar situations. The piering, it's certainly high quality steel and solid, and I feel like, boy, I'm back on a firm foundation, kind of that rock. And here again with the soil system, there's a lot of sand, but then below that there is a pretty firm base, and so I was just impressed with the service. I highly recommend it. Yeah, well, I'd like to wish Ayers Basement Systems a happy 40th anniversary and many more years of success and good customer service and helping people out. It's really a relief.